Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you could join me today. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm really looking forward to this new year. I have lots of plans, and that includes more tutorials, more unboxings, and maybe some other little extras. But anyway, guys, I wanted to thank you all because I finally reached 11,000 subscribers, and that makes me very, very happy. I make the videos for you, and the fact that my channel is growing tells me that you guys enjoy my content. But anyway, guys, I'm very grateful for your support and for your subscribership. I really am. I like reading your beautiful comments as well. It's what keeps me going. You guys always give me such wonderful feedback. I really do appreciate it. But what I'm really happy about today is that I received a gorgeous gift from one of my viewers. Her name's Debbie, and she sent me a beautiful box full of so many goodies. This box looks like it was curated. I don't know if Debbie does that for a living, but if she doesn't, she should, because she did such a great job of putting this box together. So anyway, guys, I got to film it as I was unboxing all the beautiful packets that she sent me. And I'd like to go ahead and show you the unboxing. So let's go ahead and turn the camera around and we'll get started. I am so anxious to open up these beautiful packages, and look at this. She gave me an organza bag. Look how pretty that is. I love using organza bags, and this one is just really gorgeous. So let me go ahead and see what Debbie sent me. I think we'll start with this box first. And this is such pretty paper. It has that little glitter in it. It's so gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous little box. She's got some little stickers there. It's so cute. It says an ornament that I attempted with wire wrapping. Not the best, but I'm still learning. It's so sweet of her. Let me take a look. Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. Look at this. I think it goes like this. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. I love the way you did this, Debbie. I really do. It's so gorgeous. It looks like you used a bangle and you added some beads with some wire. That is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. This is definitely going to go on my tree. I still have my tree up, so I'm going to definitely put this on there. Thank you so much. I love it. And now let's take a look at this one here. And it looks like she gave me an assortment of different kinds of beads. We have some gorgeous flower beads here. I use these all the time. We have some beautiful turquoise colored beads and some of these beautiful cage beads with their little stones in them. I love those. We have some more flower beads. Debbie knows exactly what I like. And some more. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I'm definitely going to take these out. Oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. I love these. They're so pretty. I love the colors too. They're so beautiful. I'm definitely going to be using these somehow. I don't know how I'm going to use them, but I'm definitely going to be using these. They're so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Debbie. I love these. Let me go ahead and open this one. I want to take a good look at these. Very beautiful colors. These are the lucite flower beads. They make great earrings. And I use these all the time in my designs. I love these. Very pretty. Let me go ahead and open this one up now. We have some gorgeous frosted glass beads in a gorgeous green color and a couple of rondelles in there. These are very nice as well. I love using these. It looks like Debbie watches a lot of my videos. She knows what I like. Let me go ahead and open this one now. Now, I don't think I've seen this kind of bead before, but these are so beautiful. And I don't know if these are ceramic, but I love the colors and I love the size. Very nice. And these two look like they coordinate. Let me open these up now. More lucite flower beads, which I use all the time. And these are two beautiful colors. I love this blue color and this beautiful lilac color. Very, very nice. And then let me take a look at these. We have different shapes. We have some cube-shaped beads and some barrel-shaped beads, and I love these with the little crystals inside. These are so gorgeous. I love using these. Thank you so much, Debbie. These are beautiful. I love these beads. And this is the final package. Let's take a look. Looks like we have more beads, more flower beads. And let's see what's in this bag. Oh my goodness, look at all of these goodies. We have some faceted glass here, and we have this one. Look at that. That is so beautiful. It's a cabochon. And we have some of these. Very nice. And some of these metal disc beads. I like those. And these are unusual looking. They look like leather, but they're not. They're made out of metal. Very unusual looking. It looks like we have 8 of these, and I really think these are so cool looking. I've never seen anything like it. I'm definitely going to have to come up with some kind of a design. I just think these are so beautiful, and these will actually look great with leather. I love these, and these are absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. These are so gorgeous. They have like a filigree pattern, and let's see, we have bronze, gunmetal, copper. She actually packaged 4 of these teardrop shaped beads. I went ahead and sorted everything out so we could take a better look. We have 4 of these beautiful satiny beads in this beautiful blue color. I love using these. We have 5 of these cabochons. They're not drilled, so they're obviously cabochons. We have 5 of them. We have 4 of these safety pin brooches with loops on them, so you can definitely hang something from these loops. I love these. We have these gorgeous bead caps. Oh my gosh, I love these. 2 gunmetal, 2 copper, and 2 bronze. Look how beautiful these are. They're so pretty. We have 2 of these beautiful chandelier earring components. I love these. I love the pattern. So gorgeous. And I think these are pendants. But since there are 2 of them, I guess you could make earrings out of these. But I think these would make really great pendants. We have these pearl beads. We have these gorgeous tassel caps. Look how nice these are. Oh my gosh. I love these flower tassels. I use these all the time. They're so pretty, and I love this color. And we have some flower caps here. We have some very beautiful decorative bead caps. Look at these. Aren't these gorgeous? These really dress up a bead. Let me show you what it looks like. Look how beautiful that looks. Doesn't it dress it up? It really makes a difference. It's so gorgeous. Now this one, I don't know what this one is. I don't know if it's a bezel or a pendant. It looks like a bezel, but I guess you could use it as a pendant as well with nothing in there. I'm really not sure. I'm going to have to ask her about this one. I love these teardrop faceted beads. This is so beautiful, Debbie. Oh my gosh. I feel like I just got a subscription box of some sort because it looks like it's curated. Let's take a look at these. We have some more flower beads, as you can see, and how pretty are these? Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I love these. You can stack them like this to make earrings. These are gorgeous. And let's take a look at these. Now these look like gemstones to me, and I'm not sure what kind of gemstone it is, but that's what it looks like. It's a beautiful green color, and it looks like we have a couple of different sizes. We have a 6mm size and a 5mm size, it looks like. I'm definitely going to find a way to use these gorgeous gemstones. Now her note said, I will be watching all of your videos to see what you can make with the lapel pins. So I guess these are called lapel pins. Right here. I'm definitely going to have to think about this one and see if I can come up with something creative, but it shouldn't be too difficult with 3 loops right there. So okay, Debbie, challenge accepted. I don't know how I missed this one, but I got another little container with little flower beads. And I love these colors. Oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. We have a teal, we have a pink. Very, very nice. So many beautiful colors. So anyway, guys, that's my little gift from Debbie. Isn't that gorgeous? It really looks like a curated box. That's what it looks like to me. So many gorgeous components and beads. I know I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. And like I said before, challenge accepted for these lapel pins. I'll see what I can come up with. I've never worked with lapel pins before, so this will be my first. But I'm sure I can come up with something. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing from my friend Debbie. And Debbie, thank you so much. This was such a generous gift. You really shouldn't have gone through so much trouble, but I really do appreciate it. It's very nice of you. Let me go ahead and clean this up and I'll come back and say goodbye. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. And Debbie, thanks again. I really appreciate what you sent me. I'm so impressed. I love all those goodies and I can't wait to sit down and play with them. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.